While we are on the planets discussion, 22nd, the Lake County Temple is celebrating the Rahu Ketu transit as per the Tirukanitha Panchangam. So anybody wants to participate, either you can do it online or you can come in person. They'll do the Parihar Puja. It's usually the four impacts our major life during the course of a year is Saturn, Jupiter, and Rahu and Ketu. So based on this only, the every year's prediction keeps changing for each one of the houses. So this year we have Rahu Ketu, and then we have a Jupiter transit at the end of the year, close to end of November. So anybody who wants to participate and get the benefit of these pujas, you can join. Thanks.
शुक्लां भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्ज सम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्वजं। वेट्रिवेल् मुरुगनुक्कु हर हरो हरा। लोकवीर्यं महापूज्यं सर्वरक्षाकरं विभुं पार्वती हृदयानन्दं शास्तारं प्रणमाम्यहं। स्वामिये शरणमయ్యప్ప। वागर्ताविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्तप्रतिपत्तये जगदप्पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्रीपार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविधाजितचक्रचङ्गकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितो मससकृदे कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन्। हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरनभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं। क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी द्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयं। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशी विभूषितकरात् नवनीरधाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने कैरेण्डुं कूपीन्यान् विन्दूनीरकुन्नो नीरजलोचना निन्नोडायि येदीनो मन्यने कुम्भीरेन्दातोरो रीतियल नीयन्ने पालिक्यन्नाय कृष्णा हरे जय कृष्णा हरे जय कृष्णा हरे जय कृष्णा हरे. Nikki, what we'll do is we'll rehearse 98 and then 100 number second 2 stanza we'll continue from that and finish it. That's the goal. So even if it extends 5-10 minutes, let's somehow finish it off today 100. And then next class I'm thinking in the Narayana Kavacham I'll teach you guys. It's very small. It's only like about 30-40 kuti lines, Hanuman Chalisa Mari. So we'll just do it quickly in one class and then we'll have maybe one session of practice after that, right? All 20 dasakams or 21 that we learned. So Inniki, let's see here. So Shobha and Jayashree, can you both do 98?
Sure.
Okay.
Shall I go first?
Yeah, you can go. Shobha and Jayashree do 98, and then hold on 1 second. And then Lalita and Amu Chechi, you can do the class today. Okay.
I'll start Panava.
Start Panava.
यस्मिन्नेतद्विभातं यत इदमवबत् येन चेदं नयेतत् योऽस्मादुत्तीर्णरूपः खलु सकलमिदं भासितं यस्य भासा यो वाचां दूरदूरे पुनरपि मनसां यस्य देवा मुनीन्द्राः नो विद्युस्तत्त्वरूपं किमु पुनरपरे कृष्ण तस्मै नमस्ते जन्मादो कर्मनाम स्फुटमिह गुणदोषादिकं वा न यस्मिन् लोकानामूर्तये यः स्वयमनुभजते तानि मायानुसारी बिभ्रच्छक्तिररूपोऽपि च बहुतररूपो वा भात्यभूतात्मा तस्मै कैवल्यधाम्ने पररसपरिपूर्णाय विष्णो नमस्ते नोतिर्यं चन्नमर्त्यं न च सुरमसुरं न स्त्रियं नोपमांसं न द्रव्यं कर्म जातिं गुणमपि सदसद्वापि ते रूपमाहुः शिष्टं यस्यानिषेधे सति निगमशतैर्लक्षणावृत्तितस्तत् कृच्छ्रेणावेद्यमानं परमसुखमयं भाति तस्मै नमस्ते मायायां बिम्बितस्त्वं सजसि महदहंकार तन्मात्रभेदैः
sorry, that was Srujasi.
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 Okay,
I added something else. It's Srujasi. I added something else. So yeah.
Okay. मायायां बिम्बितस्वं सृजसि महद् अहंकार तन्मात्रभेदैः भूतग्रामेन्द्रियाद्यैरपि सकलजगत्स्वप्नसङ्कल्पकल्पम् भूयः संहृत्य सर्वं कमट इव पदान् यात्मना कालशक्त्या गम्भीरे जायमाने तमसि वितिमिरो भासि तस्मै नमस्ते शब्द ब्रह्मेति कर्मेत्यनुरुति भगवन् कालैत्यालपन्ति स्वामेकं विश्वहेतुं सकलमयतया सर्वदा कल्प्यमानम् वेदान्तैर्यत्तु गीतं पुरुषपरचिदात्माविधं तत्तु तत्त्वं प्रेक्षं मात्रेण मूलप्रकृतिविकृतिकृत् कृष्ण तस्मै नमस्ते सत्त्वेनासत्तया वा न च खलु सदसद्वेन निर्वाच्य रूपा धत्ते या सावविद्या गुणफणिमतिवत् विश्वदृश्यावभासम् विद्यात्वं सैव याता श्रुतिवचनलवैः यत्कृपास्यन्नलाभे संसारारण्यसद्यस्फुटना परशुतामेति तस्मै नमस्ते। भूषासु स्वर्णवद्वा जगति घटशरावादिके मृत्तिकावत् तत्त्वे सञ्चिन्तमाने स्फुरति तदधुनाप्यद्वितीयं वपुस्ते। Sanchinthyamane, alava?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, so I'll repeat it. Bhushasu swarnavadva jagati gatashara vadike mrittikavate tatve sanchintamane spurati tataduna pyadvitiyam vapuste swapnadrashtu prabodhe timiralaya vidhau jeennarajjoshayadvate vidyalabhe tathaiva स्फुटमपि विकसेत् कृष्ण तस्मै नमस्ते। यद्भीत्योदेति सूर्यो दहति च दहनो भाति वायुस्तथान्ये यद्भीता पद्मजाद्याः पुनरुचितबलेनाहरन्ते नुकालम् येनैवारोपिताः प्राङ्निजपदमपि ते च्यावितारश्च पश्चात् तस्मै विश्वं नियन्त्रे वयमपि भवते कृष्ण कुर्मा प्रणामम् त्रैलोक्यं भावयन्तं त्रिगुणमयमिदं त्र्यक्षररस्यैकवाच्यं त्रीशानामैक्यरूपं त्रिभिरपि निगमैः गीयमानस्वरूपं तिस्रोऽवस्थाविदन्तं त्रियुगजनिजुषं त्रिक्रमाक्रान्तविश्वं त्रैकाल्ये भेदहीनं त्रिभिरहमनिशं योगभेदैर्भजैत्वाम् सत्यं शुद्धं विबुद्धं जयति तव वपुः नित्यमुक्तं निरीहं निर्द्वन्द्वं निर्विकारं निखिलगुणगणाव्यञ्जनाधारभूतं निर्मूलं निर्मलं तन्निरवधिमहिमोल्लासि निर्लीनमन्तः निस्सङ्गानां मुनीनां निरुपम परमानंद सांद्र प्रकाशम दुर्वारं द्वादशारं त्रिशत परिमल षष्टि पर्वाभिभीतं संभ्राम्य क्रूरवेगं क्षणमनो जगदाच्छिद्य सन्धावमानं चक्रं ते कालरूपं व्यतयतु न तु मां त्वत्पदैककावलम्बं विष्णु कारुण्य सिन्धो पवनपुरपते पाहि सर्वामयोगात्।
Rajesh, since I was not there in that class, I'll try my best. I kind of followed the video sent by you. Yasmin etat vibhatam yat idam abhavat yena chedam ya etad yosma duttirna rupaha khalu sakalamidam bhasitam yasya bhasa yo vacham dura dure punarapi manasam yasya deva munindraha no vidyas tattva rupam किमु पुनरपरे कृष्ण तस्मै नमस्ते जन्माथो कर्म नाम स्फुटमिह गुणदोषादिकं वा न यस्मिन् न वा hello
you're on mute.
Oh, sorry, I was on mute. Yes, SP Shobha, நான் சொல்றேன் நீங்க இது சொல்லுவா சத்யா, do you want to sing Shobha? நீங்க கேளுங்க வந்துருவா. Next time you can chant it there.
Okay, not a problem.
Satya, do you want can you chant? Mute இருக்கீங்க.
Okay, anyway, எங்க வந்தா let me know. Okay. Yasmin yetat vibatam yata idam abhavat yena chedam ya yetat योस्मात् उत्तीर्ण रूपः खलु सकलमिदं भासितं यस्य भासा यो वाचां दूरे पुनरपि मनसां यस्य देवा मुनीन्द्राः नो विद्युस्तत्त्वरूपं किमु पुनरपरे कृष्ण तस्मै नमस्ते जन्मातो कर्म नाम स्फुतमिहा गुणदोष आदिकं वान यस्मिन् लोकानाम् उत्तये यः स्वयम् अनुभजते तानि मायानुसारी बिभ्रच्शक्तिररूपोऽपि च बहुतररूपोऽवभात्यद्भुतात्मा तस्मै कैवल्यधाम्ने पररस परिपूर्णाय विष्णो नमस्ते। नोतिर्यञ्चन्न मत्यं न च सुरमसुरं न स्त्रियं नो पुमांसं न द्रव्यं कर्म जातिं गुणमपि सदसत् वापि ते रूपमाहुः। शिष्टं यस्यानिषेधे सति निगमशतैर्लक्षणावृत्तितस्तत् कृच्छ्रेना वेद्यमानं परमसुखमयं भाति तस्मै नमस्ते। मायायां बिम्बितस्त्वं सृजसि महद् अहङ्कार तन्मात्रभेदैः भूतग्रामेन्द्रियाद्यैरपि सकल जगत् स्वप्न संकल्पकल्पं भूयत्सनृत्य सर्वं कमटहैव पदान्यात्मना कालशक्त्या
Satyanga, kamataha recollect. Just kamata iva padan.
Kamata iva padan. Kamataha sonena. Okay. Bhuyassanritya sarvam kamataha iva, correct?
Ha illa.
Kamatha iva.
Ha illa, just kamata iva padan.
Okay. Bhuyassamritya sarvam kamata iva padan yatmana kalashaktya गंभीरे जायमाने तमसि वितिमिरो भासि तस्मै नमस्ते। शब्द ब्रह्मेदि कर्मेद्यनुरति भगवन् कालयित्यालपन्ति त्वामेकं विश्वहेतुं सकलमयतया सर्वथा कल्प्यमानं वेदान्तैर्यत्तु गीतं पुरुषपरचिदात् मावितं तत्तु तत्त्वं प्रेक्षा मात्रेण मूल प्रकृति विकृति कृत कृष्ण तस्मै नमस्ते। सत्त्वेन असत्तया वा न च खलु सदसत्त्वेन निर्वाच्य रूपा दत्तेया सावविद्या गुणफनिमति दत्तेया सावविद्या गुणफनिमतिवद् विश्वदृश्यावभासम् विद्यात्वं सैव याता श्रुतिवचनलवैः यत्कृपा स्यन्दलाभे संसारारण्य सद्यस्तृतनं परशुतामेति तस्मै नमस्ते। भूषासु स्वर्णवद्वा जगति गतशरा वादिके मृत्तिकावत् तत्त्वे संचिन्त्य माने स्फुरति तदा दूनपि अद्वितीयं वपुस्ते।
Three pictures. Sfurati tat adunapyadvidiyam vapuste.
Okay, tat aduna va. Okay. Right. भूषासु स्वर्णवद्वा जगति गतशरा वादिके मृत्तिकावत् तत्त्वे संचिन्त्यमाने स्फुरति तत् अधुनापि अद्वितीयं वपुस्ते। स्वप्नदस्तु प्रबोते तिमिरलयविदौ जीनरज्जोष्य यद्वत् विद्यालाभे तथैव स्फुतमपि विकसेत् कृष्ण तस्मै नमस्ते। यद्भित्यो देति सूर्यो यद्भीत्यो देति सूर्यो दहति च दहनो वाति वायुस्तथान्ये यद्भीताः पद्मज अद्याः पुनरुचित बलीन् आहरन्ते नुकालं येनैवारोपिताः प्रान्निजपदमपि ते च्यावितारश्च पश्चात् तस्मै विश्वं नियन्त्रे वयमपि भवते कृष्ण कूर्म प्रणामम्। त्रैलोक्यं भावयन्तं त्रिगुणमयमिदं त्र्यक्षरस्यैकवाच्यं त्रिशानाम् ऐक्यरूपं त्रिभिरपि निगमैः गीयमानस्वरूपं तिस्रोऽवस्था विदन्तं त्रियुगजलजुषं त्रिक्रमाक्रांत विश्वं त्रैकाल्ये भेदहीनं त्रिभिरहमनिशं योगभेदैर्भजे त्वां। सत्यं शुद्धं विबुद्धं जयति तव वपुः नित्यमुक्तं निरीहं निद्वन्तं निर्विकारं निखिल गुणगण व्यञ्जनाधारभूतं निर्मूलं निर्मलं तन्निरवधि मही मूलसी निर्लीनमन्तः
Mahimo lasi la.
महिमूलासि ओके निर्मूलं निर्मलं तन् निरवधि महिमूलासि निर्लीनमन्तः निस्सङ्गानां मुनीनां निरुपम परमानन्द सान्द्र प्रकाशं दुर्वारं द्वादशारं त्रिशत परिमिलत् षष्टिपर्वाभिवीतं सम्भ्राम्यत् क्रूरवेगं शनमनुजगता चिद्यसन्धावमानं चक्रं ते कालरूपं व्यतयतु मां त्वत्पदैकावलम्बं विष्णो कारुण्य सिन्धो पवनपुरपते पाहि सर्वामयौगात् Shri Krishna Parabrahmane.
Okay, I'll do the first two stanzas. I think we stopped after that. Agre pashyami tejo nibitarakala yavali lobaniyam piyushaplabitoham tadanu tadudare divya kaishoravesham tarunyarambharamhyam paramasukara romanchitangaihi avitam naradhadyaihi vilasadupanishat sundari mandalaischa नीलाभं कुञ्चिताग्रं घनममलतरं संयतं चारुभङ्ग्या रत्नोत्थं साभिरामं बलयितमुदयचन्द्रकैः पिञ्चजालैः मन्दारस्रङ्निवीतं तव पृथुकभरी भारमालोकयेऽहं स्निग्धश्वेधोर्ध्वपुण्ड्रामपि च सुललितां पालभालेन्दुवीतीम्. So we stopped like we said last time, this is like the description of the Lord from the top, right? So first we started with what Bhattacharya sees, and then we stopped at the hair and the sandalwood paste mark that is there, like the crescent moon. That's where we stopped in the second stanza. So third stanza. Hridyam purnanukamparnabamrudulahari chanchala bhruvilasaihi आनीलस्निग्धपक्ष्मावलिपरिलसितं नेत्रयुग्मं विभोते सान्द्रच्छायं विशालारुणकमलदलाकारमामुग्धधारं कारुण्यालोकलीला शिशिरितभुवनं क्षिप्यतां मय्यनाथे. So coming down from the forehead, and because the word netra yugmam is there, it's obvious he's talking about the eyes here, right? So here what Bhattacharya says is the eyes, when he's walking through it, he says chanchala bru vilasahi. The eyebrows are, there are waves, the eyebrows have waves like mridulahari, like the waves of an ocean. That's how the eyebrows are. Purna anukampa, it is full of compassion. The eyes are full of compassion. And sandra chayam, so sandra chayam is like very lustrous, very shining and bright eyes. And in that, this thing, what you call the eyelashes. The eyelashes are anila snigdha pakshma vali parilasitam. So the eyelashes are shining and they are arranged very neatly in a row, right? The eyelashes are arranged. And the eyes themselves, kamala dala akaram. Kamala, like lotus, right? The two eyes are like the shape of a lotus petal. So lotus petal, patanaka, it will be like in the shape of the lotus petal shaped two eyes. Vishala aruna. So they are big red. Big eyes which are red in color. And then Bhattacharya says karunya aloko leela, so that when those eyes actually look at people, when they glance at people, right? Shishirita bhuvanam. Shishirita is like winter, so bhuvanam is the earth. So when it glances at people, it actually cools down the whole world. And in the beginning, Bhattacharya also says shipyata mayanate netra yugma vibhote. So with your eyes, I'm like all the problems I'm having, right? So cast these eyes on me, because when these eyes look at people, it cools down the entire world. So here Bhattacharya is describing the eyes. So hridyam purnanu kamparnava mridulahari chanchala bru vilasaihi. So next line la Sanskrit la ra neelan irundaka and ra remove pannittu a neelan pottungo, and first line put a visarga. So hridyam purnanu kamparnava mridulahari chanchala bru vilasaihi, comma Anila snigdha pakshmavali parilasitam, comma, netra yugmam vibhothe. So that's one change. So, Hridyam purnanukamparnavamrudulahari chanchala bhruvilasaihi anila snigdha pakshmavali parilasitam netra yugmam vibhothe. Lalita Chunga first time.
हृद्यं पूर्णानुकम्पार्णवमृतुलहरी सञ्चलभ्रूविलासैः आनीलस्निग्धभक्ष्मावलिपरिलसितं नेत्रयुग्मं विभोते हृद्यं पूर्णानुकम्पार्णवमृतुलहरी सञ्चलभ्रूविलासैः आनीलस्निग्धभक्ष्मावलिपरिलसितं नेत्रयुग्मं विभोते
Sanchalan the chanchala rendume cha
चंचल
yeah
okay
Amuchi.
हृद्यं पूर्णानुकम्पार्णवमृदुलहरी चञ्चलभ्रूविलासैः आनीलस्निग्धपश्मावलिपरिलसितं नेत्रयुग्मं विभोते हृद्यं पूर्णानुकम्पार्णवमृदुलहरी चञ्चलभ्रूविलासैः आनीलस्निग्धपश्मावलिपरिलसितं नेत्रयुग्मं विभोते.
Line 3. Sandra Chayam Vishalaruna Kamaladala Karam Amugdhadharam. Vishalaruna Kamaladhala Karam Amugdhadharam, comma, Karunya Lokalila Shishirita Bhuvanam, comma, Shipyatam Mayanate. Sandrachayam Vishalaruna Kamaladhala Karamamugdhadharam Karunya Lokalila Shishirita Bhuvanam Shipyatam Mayanate.
सान्द्रच्छायं विशालारुणकमलदला कारमामुक्तदारं कारुण्यालोकलीला शिशिरितभुवनं क्षिप्यदां मय्यनाथे सान्द्रच्छायं विशालारुणकमलदला कारमामुक्तदारं कारुण्यालोकलीला शिशिरितभुवनं क्षिप्यदां मय्यनाथे
सान्द्रच्छायं विशालारुणकमलदलाकारमामुग्धचार्यं कारुण्यालोकलीला शिशिरितभुवनं क्षिप्यदां मय्यनाथे सान्द्रच्छायं विशालारुणकमलदलाकारमामुग्धचार्यं कारुण्यालोकलीला शिशिरितभुवनं क्षिप्यदां मय्यनाथे.
Stanza 4. Uttungollasinhasam Harimani Mukura Prolasadgandapani Vyalolat Karnapashanchitamakarmani Kundala Dvandvadipram Unmilat Dantapanktis Puradarnatara Chaya Bimbantaranta Pride Prasyandi Mandasmidamadurataram Vakramudbhasathame. So here still in the face, right? So here Vaktram is refers to the face. So that Vaktram, the face, has Nasam, Uttungo Lasinasam. The nose is very prominent. It is very well shaped, beautiful nose. And Gandapali, the cheeks are, the example Bhattacharya gives is Harimani Mukura. So it's like a mirror. The cheeks are like a mirror, an emerald mirror, and the mirror is reflecting the earrings which are in the 2 ears, right? So Kundala Dvandva. So Dvandva Kundalam is the earrings, right? The 2 kundalams which are hanging Karna Pasha on the ears, the cheeks are like a mirror that is reflecting the earrings. And Makaramani, Anchita Makaramani Deep. So the earrings which the Lord is wearing is shaped like a fish, like a Makaramani, like a fish, and it is studded with gems. Then kind of coming down. Next is that Sfurat Arunatara Chaya Bimba. So the Bimba fruit, Google Panelaka Bimba is like a fruit, it's a very reddish color fruit. You can see in Google images. So here the lips that the but is saying the lips are bright red like the bimba fruit, and in between the lips, Unmila Danta Pankti reveals a row of teeth which are well formed, very well formed rows of teeth. So it's a red mouth, right? Red lips, and between the lips are clear lines of the teeth. And then Mandasmita Madurataram. So the smile is very sweet. So Mandasmita Maduram is very sweet. The smile is very sweet and it is flowing with love. And then let that face of this Lord shine on me and bless me. So that's the description of the face in this. So Uttungol Lasi Nasam, comma. So next 2 lines you have to add it, okay? So Harimani Mukura Prolasat Gandapali Vyalolat Karna Pashanchita Makaramani Kundala Dvandva Deepram. So just these words, if you want to just break it and keep, right? But it is chanted together.
Rajesh, can you repeat it again on the 2 lines?
So Uttungo Lasi Nasam, comma, Harimani Mukura Prolasat Gandapali Vyalolat Karna Pashanchita Makaramani Kundala Dvandva Deepram. Okay. So Uttungo Lasi Nasam Harimani Mukura Prolasat Gandapali Vyalolat Karna Pashanchita Makaramani Kundalat Dvandva Deepram.
Uttungol Lasinasam Harimani Mukura Prolasat Kandabali Vyalolat Karnapashanchita Makaramani Kundalat Dvandva Deepram. Ippa Deepram.
Deepram.
Okay. Uttungollasinaasam Harimani Mukura Prolasat Kandabali Vyalolat Karnapasanchita Makaramani Kundalat Dvandva
Uttungollasinaasam Harimani Mukura Prolasat Gandapali Vyalolat Karnapashanchita Makaramani Kundalat Dvandva Deepram. Uttungollasinaasam Harimani Mukura Prolasat Gandapali Vyalolat Karnapashanchita Makaramani Kundalat Dvandva Deepram.
So next line. Unmilat Danta Pankti Spura Dharunatara Chaya Bimbada Rantaha, and then put a plus after that. So the ways you can break it is Unmilat Danta Pankti Spura Dharunatara Chaya Bimbantarantha. You can put an F there because next line is Preeti. Rantaf Preeti Prasyandi Mandasmida Madurataram, and then put a comma there. Okay, so Chaya Bimbantarantha Preeti Prasyandi Mandasmida Madurataram, comma Vaktramudbhasatham. Unmilat Danta Panktis Puradharunatara Chaya Bimbantarantha Preeti Prasyandi Mandasmida Madurataram Vaktramudbhasatham.
Unmilat Danta Panktis Puradharunatara Chaya Bimbadaranda Chaya
Bimbantarantha. அது கொஞ்சம் அப்படி
Bimbadaranta. Unmiladanta Bhankti Spura Bhanktis அப்புறம் புறதரவா
இல்ல பங்கி
ஸ்புரதர. Okay. Unmiladanta Bhankti Spuratara Tarunadara Chaya Bimbadara Preeti Prasyanti Mandasmita Maduradaram Vaktramutpasadame. Unmiladanta Bhankti Spuratarunadara छायाबिम्बादरान्तः प्रीति प्रश्यन्ति मन्दस्मितमधुरधरं वक्त्रमुद्भासदां मे
उन्मीलद्दन्तपङ्क्तिस्फुरदरुणधरच्छाय बिम्बादरान्तप्रीति प्रस्यन्ति मन्दस्मितमधुरधरम् वक्त्रमुद्भासदां मे उन्मीलद्दन्तपङ्क्तिस्फुरदरुणधरच्छाय बिम्बादरान्तप्रीति प्रस्यन्ति मन्दस्मितमधुरधरम् वक्त्रमुद्भासदां मे.
Answer fine. बाहुद्वन्द्वेन रत्नोज्ज्वलवलयभृता शोणपाने प्रवाले नोपात्तां वेणुनालीं प्रसृतनकमयूखाङ्गुली सङ्गशारां कृत्वा वक्त्रारविन्दे सुमधुरविकसद्रागमुद्भाव्यमानैः शब्दब्रह्मामृतैस्त्वं शिशिरितभुवनैः सिञ्च मे कर्णवीतीम्. So now kind of coming down right from the face and the teeth. So here Bhattacharya is describing about the Venu Nali. Venu Nali is the flute, right? So here it's saying how is the flute held? The flute is held with Bahu Dvandvenas, with the two hands, right? The flute is held with both the hands, and the hands are Shonapani Pravale, and it's like shining, it's a red color, like, you know, dark color hands. And then the hands have Ujjwala Valaya. So like the bangles, the hand is wearing like shining bangles, and it's holding the Venunali, holding the fruit in Kritva Vakrara Vinde, and it's kept in your lotus mouth, kept in the Lord's lotus mouth. And the flute is multicolored, and that's how the Lord is holding the fruit. Now, what is the flute producing? Sumadura Vikasat, Sumaduram. So it's producing very sweet noise. Ragam Udbhavyamanehi. So the ragam, the melodies which are coming are flowing, right? So sweet melodies are actually coming from the flute. And Shabda Brahma Amritaihi. So the sound itself, the form of the sound itself is divine bliss, right? The sound itself is Brahman. Shabda Brahma Amritaihi, the sound that is coming from the flute. Again, Shishirita Bhuvanaihi, let it cool the whole world. The sound coming from the flute is cooling the whole world. Sinchame Karna Veeting. So the Karna is the ears, right? So for people who are hearing, it's like kind of melts my ears, right? Soaks my ear. So so sweet and melodious that it is soaking everybody's ears of people who are hearing it. So Bahu Dvandvena, comma, Ratno Jwala Valaya Brita, comma, Shona Pani Pravale, you can put a plus there, Nopatam Venu Nalim, put a comma there, Prasuta Nakamayu Kanguli Sangasharam. So Bahu Dvandvena, Ratno Jwala Valaya Brita, comma, Shonapani Pravale Nopatham Venunalim, comma, Prasuta Naka Mayu Kanguli Sangashara.
Rajesh, the Prasruta Prasuta
Nakamayu Kanguli Sangashara. So the Naka representing the nails, and it is like the rays coming from the nails are spreading. So Prasruta Nakamayu. Yeah. So Bahudvandvena Ratno Jwalavalaya Brita Shonapane Pravale Nopatham Venunalim Prasuta Nakamayu Kanguli Sangasharam.
Sangasharam dana.
Sangasharam.
Rama.
Ramna potu.
Ramna irukku. Ram dana. Okay.
Ram dana.
Sure, okay. Correct பண்ணிக்கிறேன்.
Yeah, Sangasharam na irukku.
Sharam. Okay. Okay. Bahudvandvena Ratno Jwala
Valaya. Adra or pause kudungo.
Bahudvandvena Ratno Jwala Valaya Brita Shonabani Pravale Nopatam Venunalim Prashruta Nagamayu Kanguli Shangasaram. Bahudvandvena रत्नोज्ज्वलवलयभृता शोनबाणि प्रवालेनोपात्तां वेणुनाळीं प्रसृतनखमयूखाङ्गुली शङ्खसाराम्.
And the Mayu, don't leave too much of a gap between Mayu and
Mayu and
Kanguli,
Kama.
because
Oh,
it is Mayuka and Anguli.
Oh, okay.
But it's okay. Konjam pause panna okay to get the
Sure.
tune, but don't talk too much out of that.
Okay, sure. Okay, thank you.
बाहुद्वन्द्वेन रत्नोज्ज्वलवलयभृदा शोणपाणिप्रवाळेनोपात्तां वेणुनाळीं प्रसृतनखमयूखाङ्गुली सङ्गशाराम्. बाहुद्वन्द्वेन रत्नोज्ज्वलवलयभृदा शोणपाणिप्रवाळेनोपात्तां वेणुनाळीं प्रसृतनखमयूखाङ्गुली सङ्गशाराम्.
Line 3. Kritva Vaktrara Vinde, comma, Sumadhura Vikasad Draga Mudbhav. So Vikasad Ragam, okay. So, but you say that Vikasad and Ra, it becomes Dra. So Sumadhura Vikasad Draga Mudbhavya Manehi, comma, Shabda Brahma Mrthaistvam Shishirita Bhuvanaihi, comma, Sinchame Karna Vitin. Kritva Vaktrara Vindhe Sumadura Vikasad Dragamudbhavyamanehi Shabda Brahmamritaistvam Shishirita Bhuvanaihi Sinchame Karna Vitim.
कृत्वा वक्त्रारविन्दे सुमधुरविकसत् रागमुद्भाव्यमानैः शब्दब्रह्मामृतैस्त्वं शिशिरितभुवनैः सिञ्च मे कर्णवीतीं. कृत्वा वक्त्रारविन्दे सुमधुरविकसत् रागमुद्भाव्यमानैः शब्दब्रह्मामृतैस्त्वं शिशिरितभुवनैः सिञ्च मे कर्णवीतीम्.
कृत्वा वक्रारविन्दे सुमधुरविगसद्रागमुद्भाव्यमानैः शब्दब्रह्मामृतैस्त्वं शिशिरितभुवनैः सिञ्च मे कर्णवीथिम्. कृत्वा वक्रारविन्दे सुमधुरविगसद्रागमुद्भाव्यमानैः शब्दब्रह्मामृतैस्त्वं शिशिरितभुवनैः सिञ्च मे कर्णवीथिम्.
Stanza 6. Utsarpat kaustubhashri tatibhirarunitham komalam kantadesham vakshashri vatsaramhyam taralatara samudhi prahara prathanam nanha varna prasuna valikisalaihi vanyamalam vilolallolambham lambhamanam murasitavatata bhavaye ratnahalam. So Kanta Deshe, so now coming into the throat area, right? So the throat, so when you come to the throat area here, Utsarpat Kaustubam. So the Kaustuba necklace, right, is on the Lord's neck. So on the Kaustuba necklace, nala, the light or the shine that is emitting from it, right, that is making that entire area look red and bright because of the shine that is coming out of the Kaustuba necklace. Vaksha Srivatsa Ramyam, so in the chest has the Srivatsa mark on the Lord's chest. And then the general neck area has many Ratnamalam, Hara Pratanam. So many many necklaces and with Ratnamalam, which are made of gems. So Lord is wearing a lot of jewelry. And then Vanyamalam, so a lot of flowers which are in the Lord's chest as well. Nana Varna, many colored, so multi-colored flowers are in the Lord's chest, on which Lolambam is referring to the bees. So the bees are kind of hovering around because of all the fresh buds and the flowers which are in the Lord's chest. There are bees. So it's just talking about the chest, how it has a Kaustuba necklace. It's got the Srivatsa mark, and it's got a lot of jewelry and a lot of flowers on which the bees are there. So Utsarpat Kaustuba Shri Thati Bhira Runitham, comma. कोमलं कण्ठदेशं वक्षश्रीवत्सरम्यं थरलधर samuddeeprahara-pratanam. So the line continues. So vakshasrivatsaramyam tharalathara samuddeeprahara-pratanam. Deeprahara-pratanam. Utsarpat kaustubhashri tatibhirarunitham komalam kantadesham vakshasrivatsaramyam taralatara samuddeeprahara-pratanam.
उत्सर्बत् कौत्सुबत् श्री दधिबिररुणितं कोमलं कण्ठदेशं वक्षश्रीवत्सरम्यं दरलधरसमुद्दीप्रहारप्रदानम् उत्सर्बत् कौस्तुभश्री दधिबिररुणितं कोमलं कण्ठदेशं वक्षश्रीवत्सरम्यं दरलधरसमुद्दीप्रहारप्रदानम्
Ulsarpat kaustubhastri dadibirarunitam komalam kantadesham vakshastri valsaramyam taralatara samuddi prahara pradhanam. Ulsarpat kaustubhastri dadibirarunitam komalam kantadesham vakshastri valsaramyam taralatara samuddi prahara pradhanam.
Line 3. Nana varna prasunavali kisalainim, comma, vanyamalam below, and the line kapram put a plus. So vanyamalam bilolal lolambam, and then a comma after that. Lolambam lambhamanam urasi thavatata, comma, bhavaye ratnamalam. So here Bhattaji is saying, I'm meditating on, like we said last time, right? In the entire chapter it's a meditation, right? So if you're not able to visualize something, then you chant this, and every time you're chanting, you imagine the various parts of it, right? So here Bhavaye is suffering, I'm meditating on this body here, the chest here. So Nanha varna prasuna valikisalainim vanyamalam vilolal lolambam lambhamana murasitavatata bhavaye ratnamanam.
Nana varna prasuna valikisalayinim vanyamala milolallolambam vanyamala milolallolambam lambamana.
Yeah, the lolambam, you just end it lower, right? So Nana varna prasuna valikisalayinim vanyamala milolallolambam lambhamana murasitavatata.
Try Nana varna prasuna valikisalayinim vanyamala milolallolambam lambamana murasidavadada bhavaye ratnamalam. Nana varna prasuna valikisalayinim vanyamala milolallolambam lambamana murasidavadada bhavaye ratnamalam.
ராஜேஷ் ஒரே ஒரு தடவை எங்க காமான மாத்திரம் ஒரு வாட்டி திருப்பி சொல்லிடுங்களேன், மறந்து
நானா
போயிடுது.
வர்ண பிரசூனா வலி கிசலைனீம் காமா வன்யமாலாம் பிலோலல் லோலம்பாம் காமா லம்பமானாம் உரசி தவததா காமா பாவயே ரத்னமாலா.
தேங்க்யூ.
Nana varna prasuna valikisalayaniim vanyamalam vilolallolambam lambamana murasitavatata bhavaye ratnamalam. Nana varna prasuna valikisalayaniim vanyamalam vilolallolambam lambamana murasitavatata bhavaye ratnamalam.
Stanza 7. Anghe panchankharagaihi atishaya vikasat saurabha krishtalokam लीनानेकत्रिलोकी विततिमपि कृशां बिभ्रतं मध्यवह्निं शक्राश्मन्यस्ततप्तोज्ज्वलकनकनिभं पीतचेनं दधानं ध्यायामो दीप्तरश्मिस्फुटमनिरशना किङ्किणी मण्डितं त्वाम्. So now next it's coming to the body, right? Dhyayamaha tvam. So I'm meditating on you, right? Ange panchanga ragehi. So this thing, the body is made up of in the like a mix or greasy mix, right? Which has got like 5 ingredients, and then the enna ingredients nu sollala. So ange panchanga ragehi. So 5 substances are made, which they made a grease. It's like made, its body is made of that, or it's got a greasy surface. And akrishtalokam is attracting the whole world, and it's very fragrant. That is talking about the body itself. Then the next is Bibhratam, is having the waist. So the waist, so here in the description in the waist one in the romba slendera, it is like a creeper, like poets describe, right? So that's what he's describing, that it is like a apikrishnam. It's very thin, it's slender, it's like a creeper, it's very thin, but that is bearing the weight of the entire universe. All the sorrows of the people is all, although it is thin, it is bearing the weight of everything. And then the body itself is Shakrashman, it's like a solid rock. It is strong body, right? And the example he gives here is like a sapphire. He's comparing it to like as hard as a sapphire stone. So it's rock like a sapphire. And Pita Chelam Dadanam. So in the body, he's wearing an yellow cloth. This is not the one which is wore on the waist, but Odambalim, there's like a yellow cloth which the Lord is wearing. And then Kinkini Manditam. Kinkini is the bells which people wear on the waist, right? So there's a bells, there's a lot of small bells which are worn on the waist, which are Mani Rashana, which are studded with gems. So just talking about the Lord's body and the Lord's waist. So Ange Panchanga Ragaihi. And the irrukumanga, ra irukum. So make it a visarga. Ange Panchanga Ragaihi. And then put the word a. So Atishaya, comma, Atishaya Vikasat Saurabha Krishta Lokam. Atishaya Vikasat Saurabha Krishta Lokam, comma, Lina Neka Triloki Vitatimapi. Lina Neka Triloki Vitatimapi, comma, Krisham Bibhratam Madhyavallim. Ange Panchanga Ragaihi Atishaya Vikasat Saurabha Kristalokam Lina Nekatriloki Bitatimapi Krisham Bibhratam Madhyavallim.
Ange Panchanga Ragaihi Adishaya Vikasat Saurabha Kristalokam Leelanegatriloki Vidatimapi Krisham Pipratham Madhyavallim. Ange Panchanga Ragaihi Adishaya Vikasat Saurabha Kristalokam Leelanegatriloki Vidatimapi Krisham Pipratham Madhyavallim.
Ange Panjangaragaihi Adishaya Vigasat Saurabha Kristalokam Deenane Gatriloki Vitadimapi Krisham Bibhratam Madhyavalli.
So Ammuchechi, pause after Vitatimapi and then Krisham Bibhratam Madhyavalli.
Okay. Ange Panjangaragaihi Adishaya Vigasat Saurabha Kristalokam Deenane Gatriloki Vitadimapi Krisham Bibhratam Madhyavalli.
Yeah.
It's Leena Neka or Leela Neka?
Leena.
Okay, thank you.
Na. Line 3. Shakrash Manyasta Tapto Jwala Khanaka Nibham, comma. Shakrash Manyasta Tapto Jwala Khanaka Nibham, comma. Pita Chelam Dhadanam, comma. Dhyayamo Deepta Rashmi Sputa Mani Rashana Kinkini Manditam Tvam. Shakrash Manyastatapto Jvalakanakanibham Pitachenam Dadhanam Dhyayamo Deeptarashmi Sputamani Rashana Kinkini Manditam Tvam.
Shakrashmanyastadapto Jvalakanakanibham Pitachelam Dadanam Dhyayamo Deeptarashmi Sputamanirashana Kingini Manditam Tvam. Shakrashmanyastadapto Jvalakanakanibham Pitachelam Dadanam Dhyayamo Deeptarashmi Sputamanirashana Kingini Manditam Tvam.
Shakrashmanyastaptojjwalakankanibham pitachelam dathanam Dhyayamo deeptarashmisphudamaniratana kingini manditam tvam. Shakrashmanyastaptojjwalakankanibham pitachelam dathanam Dhyayamo deeptarashmisphudamaniratana kingini manditam tvam.
Stanza 8. Uru charu tavoro ghanamasruna ruchao chitta chorao ramayaha vishwakshobham vishankya dhruvamanishambhao pitachera vritangau anamranam purastat nyasana drita samastarta pali samudgachayam janudbhayam cha krama prutulamanoghe cha jhange nisheve. So from the waist coming down is the thighs, right? Uru is referring to the thighs. So again, nisheve is I'm meditating on uru charu tava uru. So like the thighs which are very strong and stout. And chitta chorao ramayaha. Rama refers to Lord Rama. Rama refers to Lakshmi Devi. So chitta chorao ramayaha. So it is stealing Lakshmi's heart. So the thighs are handsome and soft and strong, and that's stealing Lakshmi's heart. Chitta chorao ramayaha. And then, so if it is stealing Lakshmi Devi's heart, then it is going to steal or excite the whole world, right? So Vishwakshobham, the whole world will get excited by looking at it. So certainly because of that, Pitachela Avrita Angau. So the Angau, the legs, the thighs are covered with a yellow cloth, so that the whole world doesn't get excited with it. So because of that, the thighs are covered with a yellow cloth, Pitachelam. And then the next is for Anamranam Purastat. So the devotees who are falling in front of the Lord, Anamranam, who prostrate in front of the God. So to all the desires that they want are stored in Janudvayam. So the two knees of the Lord. So the two knees of the Lord are, a comparison given is, it's like a holding cup or a casket or something, which is holding all the desires of the devotees who are Anamranam Purastat, who are actually falling or prostrating in front of the Lord. And then the last part here he refers to is the bottom of the legs. Before you get into the ankle, the four legs, those are tapering and beautiful. So if you look at well-structured people, the legs are like tapering, right? So it's strong in the calf area and then it goes more narrow. So it's tapering and beautiful four legs. So Uru, Charu, Tavoru, comma, Gana Masruna Ruchau, comma, Chitta Chorau Ramayaha, Vishwakshobham Vishankya, comma, Dhruvam Anisha Mubhau, comma, Pita Chela Vritangau. So Uru, Charu, Tavoro, Khana Masruna Ruchau, Chitta Chorau Ramayaha, Vishwakshobham Vishankya, Dhruvam Anisha Mubhau, Pita Chela Vritangau.
Uru charu davoru ganamashruna ruchau siddhachorav ramayaha vishwakshobham vishankya dhruvamanisham upau pitachela vritangau. ऊरू चारु तवोरू गणमशृणरुचौ सिद्धचोरौ रमायाः विश्वक्षोभं विशङ्क्य ध्रुवमनिशमुपौ पीतचेलावृताङ्गौ
ऊरू चारु तवोरू घनमसृणरुजौ चित्तचोरौ रमायाः विश्वक्षोभं विशङ्क्य ध्रुवमनिशमुभौ पीतचेलावृताङ्गौ ऊरू चारु तवोरू घनमसृणरुजौ चित्तचोरौ रमायाः विश्वक्षोभं विशङ्क्य ध्रुवमनिशमुभौ पीतचेलावृताङ्गौ.
Just one small correction there. So it's not in this case, it's not ganam asrunau, because the gana is the thick ganam, right? But it's not ganam here, it's just gana. Gana. And then masruna is one word. Okay, masruna is referring to like charming or beautiful. So the gana is referring to thick, masruna is referring to beautiful. So it's not ganam asruna, it is gana masruna. Okay, this one correct, yeah. Next third line. So next in the next third line, you'll see purasta and then maybe 2 ins in Sanskrit. I don't know, depending on the book. So you're breaking it. Anam ranam purasthat. So when you're breaking it, you make it purasthat it and then put a comma, because purasthat plus nyasana, when you write it together, it becomes double in. So anam ranam purasthat comma nyasana dhrita samastartha pali samudgachayam. So put a plus there and put a comma after the word chayam. So nyasana dhrita samastartha pali samudgachayam comma janudvayam cha comma krama prutula manogne cha jange nisheve.
ராஜேஷ் நீங்க அங்க காமா சொன்னீங்களா பிளஸ் சொன்னீங்களா?
அந்த பாலி சமுத்க அந்த லைன் முடிஞ்சு பிளஸ் போட்டுறணும். So samastartha pali samudgachayam. And then after plus. The word, plus. And after the word chayam, put a comma. Right, so anam ranam purastat comma nyasana dhrita samastartha pali samudgachayam comma janudvayam cha comma krama prutula manogne cha jange nisheve. Anam ranam purastat nyasana dhrita samastartha pali samudgachayam janudvayam cha krama prutula manogne cha jange nisheve.
आनम्राणां पुरस्तात् न्यसनधृतसमस्तार्तपाली समुद्गच्छायं जानुत्वयं च क्रमपृतुलमनोज्ञे च जङ्गे निषेवे. आनम्राणां पुरस्तात् न्यसनधृतसमस्तार्तपाली समुद्गच्छायं जानुत्वयं च क्रमपृतुलमनोज्ञे च जङ्गे निषेवे.
आनम्राणां पुरस्तात् न्यसनधृतसमस्तार्तपाली समुद्गच्छायं जानुद्वयं च क्रमपृथुलमनोज्ञे च जङ्गे निषेवे. आनम्राणां पुरस्तात् न्यसनधृतसमस्तार्तपाली समुद्गच्छायं जानुद्वयं च क्रमपृथुलमनोज्ञे च जङ्गे निषेवे.
9. Manjidham manjunadhairiva padabhajanam shreya ityalapantam padagram brantimajjat pranata janamano mandaroddara kurmam uttungha tamra rajan nakara himakara jyotsnaya chashrithanam sandapadhvantahantrim thatimanukalaye mangala mangulinam. So I finally come to the last part of the body here. Is referring to the the anklets, right? So in the last we talked about the 4 legs, right, coming to the bottom, and now finally referring to the anklets. And so again, on the manjiram is referring to the anklets. Anukale, I'm meditating on those anklets, right? And this sweet sound that these anklets are generating. And then the example Bhattacharya part here tells again the importance to feet. You'll see it in this stanza as well as on the next stanza. Is the reason why Pada Bhajanam Shreya. Why is the Pada Bhajanam, worshipping of the feet, is Shreya, highest is? The example is just like in Mandara. Oops.
Hi, are you able to hear him?
Oh, sorry. I think my laptop froze. Kashyap.
My dad said that his laptop crashed, so he'll be back.
Okay, thank you, Kashyap.
We could still see him though.
Yeah, I don't know. I could hear him and see him, but I don't know.
Yeah.
No, I think my power went out. So somehow, like on the laptop, but I'm not able to see anybody. I don't know why.
Oh, we all were able to see
We are
you.
able to see you and hear you.
Yeah, I can hear you guys, but I just connected the power. I don't know why.
Okay.
But I can't see anything.
Now we cannot see him.
Yeah, no, I'm trying to figure this out. So one second. I may have to restart. I don't know. Maybe it's completely out of power, but somehow it is able to get my voice through.
You use this computer.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So okay. All right. Echo கேக்குறதான்னு நான் பேசினேன் இப்போ. I don't know why.
Yes.
Yeah, I think my other laptop is still.
There is 2 of you, I think that's why.
My other laptop is still. Okay. It's back on now.
Oh.
Back on my laptop.
ராஜேஷ் கமலாசன் படத்துல வர மாதிரி டபுள் கேக்குது.
கஷ்யப் போட்ட லேப்டாப் பக்கத்துல ஆன் இருந்தது. My laptop is back on now. Somehow I didn't realize it was not connected to the power. It completely like blanked out, gave a black screen, it blacked out. But then somehow it was still had some power that you guys could see me and I can hear you. Anyway.
கிருஷ்ணன் மாதிரி ரெண்டா தெரிஞ்சல அந்த கம்ப்யூட்டர்லயும் தெரிஞ்சல இதுலயும் தெரிஞ்சது.
நல்லவேளை. ஆத்துல இவ்ளோ கம்ப்யூட்டர் இருக்கு அதான் அட்வான்டேஜ். ஏதோ ஒன்னு வர்க் வீட்ல. I don't know where we stopped. Yeah, so like and the Mandarodhara Kurmam. So when the Lord came in the form of a tortoise, it was a kurma, and then uplifted the Mandara mountain, the example is given as Padagram. So for people who fall on the Lord's feet, right? Pranata Janamano Manjat. So people whose mind, who's given up everything and they're sinking and they're resting on the Lord's feet, if the feet will uplift the people's heart, just like how the Lord came as a tortoise and uplifted the Mandara mountain. That's the first part of it. Then the last part talks about the various, the how the fingers, you know, and the toenails, it's all like, you know, bright and well organized. And again, the light that is coming from the toenails are so shining and so bright that they will then remove or cast a light and remove all the sorrow of all the devotees. So essentially, again, it's telling here that focusing on the Lord's feet is what is most important. So Manjiram Manjunadair Iva, comma, Padabhajanam Shreya Ityalapantam, comma, Padagram Branti Majjat Pranatha Jana Mano Mandarodhara Kurmam. So Mano Mandarodhara Kurmam. Just like how you came as a tortoise to lift the mountain, you lift the heart, right? So Padagram Branti Majjat Pranatha Jana Mano Mandarodhara Kurmam. All one line continues. So Manjiram Manjunadhairiva Padabhajanam Shreya Ityalapantam Padagram Branti Majjat Pranata Janamano Mandarodhara Kurmam.
Manjiram Manjunadairiva Padabhajanam Shreya Ityalabandam Padakram Prandi Majjat Pranata Janamano Mandaro Tarakurmam. Manjiram Manjunadairiva Padabhajanam Shreya Ityalabandam Padakram Prandi Majjat Pranata Janamano Mandaro Tarakurmam. Daralya Mandaro Darakurmam.
Correct. Mandaro Uddara.
Uddara. Okay.
Manjiram Manjunadairiva Padabhajanam Shreya Ityalabandam Padagram Prandimachat Pranata Janamano Mandarodhara Kurmam. Manjiram Manjunadairiva Padabhajanam Shreya Ityalabandam Padagram Prandimachat Pranata Janamano Mandarodhara Kurmam.
Uttunga Thamra, one word only. Uttunga Thamra Rajan Nakara Himakara Jyotsnaya Chashritana. So Uttunga Thamra Rajan Nakara Himakara Jyotsnaya Chashritana, comma, Santapa Dwanta Hantrim, comma, Thatimanukalaye Mangalam Angulinam. Uttunga Tamra Rajan Nakara Himakara Jyotsnaya Chashritanam Santapa Dwanta Hantrim Thatimanukalaye Mangalam Angulinam.
Uttungam Damra Rajan Nagara Himakara Jyotsnaya Chashritanam Sandabatvanta Hantrim Datimanukalaye Mangala Mangulinam. Uttunga Damra Rajan Nagara Himakara Jyotsnaya Chashritanam Sandabatvanta Hantrim Datimanukalaye Mangala Mangulinam.
Uttunga Tamra Rajan Nakara Himakara Jyotsnaya Chashritanam Sandabadwanda Handrim Tadimanukalaye Mangala Mangulina. Uttunga Tamra Rajan Nakara Himakara Jyotsnaya Chashritanam Sandabadwanda Handrim Tadimanukalaye Mangala Mangulina.
So next, for this up to 9 is the complete description of the Lord, right, at Bhattatripad sees. So in the stanza 10 and 11 are very important, right? So typically in the 10 and 11 you chant 3 times when you're doing Narayaniyam. So in the 10 one in stanza 10 is like a summary, right? And ella 99 chapters 100 and 100th chapter 10th is Bhattatripad is saying, is going to ask, okay, help me out or thank and forgiveness. And 11th is like any இது in slogam and kadasila vandu they'll talk about who wrote it and what is there and what are the benefits. That is in the 11th stanza. So that's why 10th and 11th are very important. So 10th ipo yogindranam twadangeshwadika sumaduram mukti bhajam nivaso bhaktanam kamavarsha dyudarukisalayam nata te padahunam nityam chittastidham me pavanapurapathe krishna karunya sindho kritva nisheshatapan pradishadu paramananda sandoha lakshmi. So here Bhattacharya says, okay, I described all the body parts, right? So tvat angeshu, all the body parts. Yogindrana, even for the yogis, adhika sumaduram, the one which is the most beloved or the most sweetest, are nata, oh Lord, te patamulam. So say your feet, right? Your feet is the most important part, even for the greatest yogis. And then mukti nivasaha mukti bhajam. So people who reside in your feet, right? Nivasam mukti bhajam. So they are the liberated ones. People who reside in your feet get liberated. Bhaktanam kama varsha, for your devotees who again meditate and remain in your feet, kama varsha. So whatever they want, kama, whatever desires they want, varsham, you shower all their desires onto them. Like Kisalayini, Dayatharu Kisalayin, like the heavenly in the tree Mari, in the ever-giving tree Mari, you give everything, right? So the most important part, even for the yogis, is the feet. For people who completely surrender and live in your feet, you liberate them. For your devotees who meditate on your feet, you grant them all their wishes. That's the first part. So then Pavana Purapate, O Lord of Guruvayur, Krishna, Nityam Chitta Stidam me. So Nityam, every time, all the time, Chitta Stidam me, may you always reside in my mind, right? May you always reside in my mind. Karunya Sindho, O ocean of compassion. Nishesha Tapan, kind of destroy, tapan, burn or eliminate, right, all of my sufferings, and give to me Paramananda, so supreme bliss, right? So the Paramananda, we spoke about how it came in Sandranandava Bodhatmakam in first, and then Sandrananda Tano Hare in the 37th chapter, and in the 100th chapter, Paramananda. So give me supreme bliss, Sandoha Lakshmi. So Lakshmi generally refers to like abundance, right? Like lots. So Sandoha Lakshmi is like, give it to me in abundance. Give me this supreme bliss in abundance. So that's what is the 9th chapter, 10th stanza. So Yogindranam Twadanghesh Vadika Sumaduram, comma, Mukti Bhajam Nivaso, comma, Bhakthanam Kama Varsha Dyutaru Kisalayam. Bhaktanam Kama Varsha Dyutaru Kisalayam, comma, Nata, comma, Te Padamulam. So Yogindranam Twadangeshwadika Sumaduram Mukti Bhajam Nivaso Bhaktanam Kama Varsha Dyudaru Kisalayam Nata Te Padamulam.
योगीन्द्राणां त्वतङ्गेष्वधिकसुमधुरं मुक्तिभाजां निवासो भक्तानां कामवर्षद्युतिदरुकिसलयं नाथ ते पादमूलम् योगीन्द्राणां त्वतङ्गेष्वधिकसुमधुरं मुक्तिभाजां निवासो भक्तानां कामवर्षद्युतिदरुकिसलयं नाथ ते पादमूलम्.
Kama Dyutaru.
Dyutaru.
Yeah. The and ya.
Dyutaru. Dyutaru சொல்லிட்டேனா? Sorry.
நீங்க வந்து என்ன ரெண்டு சொன்ன மாதிரி இருந்தது. சரி கிளியரா இருக்குல அது.
भक्तानां कामवर्षद्युतरु किसलयं नाथ ते पादमूलम्.
Right. That's right.
योगीन्द्राणां त्वदङ्गेष्वधिकसुमधुरं मुक्तिभाजां निवासो भक्तानां कामवर्षद्युतरुकिसलयं नाथ ते पादमूलम्. योगीन्द्राणां त्वदङ्गेष्वधिगसुमधुरं मुक्तिभाजां निवासो भक्तानां कामवर्षद्युदरुकिसलयं नाथ ते पादमूलम्.
Nityam Chittasthitham me, comma, Bhavana Purapathe, comma, Krishna Karunya Sindho, comma, Hritva Nisheshataphan, comma, Pradishatu Paramananda Sandoha Lakshmi.
ராஜேஷ் அது கிருஷ்ணவா கிருஷ்ணாவா?
Krishna kadayadu, just Krishna. Not there's no line at the end of it.
Okay.
It's just Krishna. But adu vandu it's like it's referring to Krishna only, but when you sometimes say it, you might end up saying it as Krishna, which is okay. Like, you know, the Krishna and the A, if you emphasize, it's still okay because it is still referring to just Krishna that it's referring to.
But it is Krishna.
It's Krishna, yeah, it's Krishna. In Sanskrit, the proper rachana Krishna.
Krishna. Okay, thank you.
But naane vandu cholli palagittu, I say it as Krishna. So it's whatever you guys feel comfortable. But the actual word is Krishna. Nityam Chittasthitham me Bhavana Purapathe Krishna Karunya Sindho Hritva Nisheshataphan Pradishadu Paramananda Sandoha Lakshmi.
नित्यं चित्तस्थितं मे पवनपुरपते कृष्णकारुण्यसिन्धो कृत्वा निःशेषतापान् प्रतिशतु परमानन्दसन्दोहलक्ष्मीं. नित्यं चित्तस्थितं मे पवनपुरपते कृष्णकारुण्यसिन्धो कृत्वा निःशेषतापान् प्रतिशतु परमानन्दसन्दोहलक्ष्मीम्.
नित्यं चित्तस्थितं मे पवनपुरपदे कृष्णाकारुण्यसिन्धो कृत्वा निःशेषतापान् प्रदिशतु परमानन्दसन्दोहलक्ष्मीं. नित्यं चित्तस्थितं मे पवनपुरपदे कृष्णाकारुण्यसिन्धो कृत्वा निःशेषतापान् प्रदिशतु परमानन्दसन्दोहलक्ष्मीं.
A lot of people, I've heard them say it as Krishna Karunya Sindho, but the actual word there is, it's Krishna Karunya Sindho. It is, oh Krishna, you are a Karunya Sindha, Lord of compassion. But when you're saying it, sometimes, like, depending on how people want to say it, they might end up saying, oh Krishna Karunya Sindho, it just comes.
Correct.
Right?
Actually, Krishna nu sollumbodhu Krishna கூப்பிடுற மாதிரி இருக்கு. So it's even nicer.
It's actually saying Krishna Karunya Sindho. Oh Krishna, you are a lot of compassion. Eliminate all my problems. Right? So you are calling the Lord, right? You are saying, oh Krishna. Right? That's what the actual meaning there is. Oh Krishna. That's what it refers to there. But as a translate Krishna, அப்படின்னு போட்டிருக்குது.
Actually, Krishna nu எழுதிக்கலாம் போல இருக்கு. That sounds better.
When you keep chanting it, it will just come. I think when Ammuji also said it. You know,
yeah.
It just comes that way, right?
Correct. Okay.
Okay. Last stanza. Ajñātvā te mahatvam yadigha nigatitham Vishwanatha kshamedhāha stotram chaitat sahasrottaram adhikataram tvat prasadhaya bhūyāt dveda narāyanīyam shruticusha janusha stutyatha varnanena svitam līlāvathāraihi idamiha kurutam ayurārogya saukyam. So here, like any big poet or anybody says, right? Jnanam ajñātva means like ignorance, right? So not knowing something is ajñātva. Te mahatvam. So Bhattacharya is saying, without knowing, by ignorance or by mistakes, your mahatvam, your greatness, yet iha nigatitam, whatever I have said so far, right? Vishwanatha kshametaha. Oh Lord of the universe, or the Vishwam, please pardon me. So whatever I have said is purely because of my ignorance, or I might have said it because I didn't know that. So please forgive me for that. Vishwanatha kshamedaha. Stotram cha etat, and this stotram, this Narayaniyam stotram, Sahasrottaram Adhikataram. So it has got more than 1,000 verses, right? So Sahasrottaram Adhikataram, it's more than 1,000 verses. Tvat Prasadaya Bhuyat. So may this be like for people who want your prasadam, right? Who want to get it, may this be the source. So for people who want your prasadam, this will be the source. So this time Narayaniyam, which is more than 1,000 verses, may this be the source for people who want your blessings, your prasadam. Tvat Prasadaya Bhuyat. Dveda Narayaniyam. So saying this is Narayaniyam in two ways. Dveda Narayaniyam. Two ways. How? One is it is written by Narayana Bhattatri. So it's written by Narayana Bhattatri part. And it's written for Lord Narayana as well. So they're saying this name Narayaniyam is because of two reasons. In two ways it is Narayaniyam. By person who wrote it and for the person to whom it is written. Shruti Chusha means Shruti Chusha is according to what has been described in the Vedas, but here he's not literally referring to the Vedas, he's referring to more like Bhagavatam and anything else, right? Which was like, so as in accordance with that, it has been written. Stutyata Varnanena. So description, Varnam is description, Stutyata is singing or chanting it. So it's in accordance with that, it has been sung and described by me. It is said two things. Janusha, it has talked about all your incarnations. It has covered the 9 incarnations of the Lord. So Janusha. And Sweetam Leela Avatarehi. So all the other incarnations and the activities that Lord Krishna has done, which we didn't kind of cover much, right? So all the other activities that Krishna has done. So this book is covering, according to the Vedas and Bhagavatam, it has covered all your incarnations and all your activities. Idam iha kurutam. So this confer on people who reading it or listening to it. Ayu Arogya Saukyam. Ayu referring to long life. Arogyam referring to good health. Saukyam referring to happiness. Right? So that's what kind of summarizing, saying that, okay, this has been, pardon me for mistakes I have done, and it also applies to us, right? So when we are chanting, we make mistakes. So pardon me for anything that I have done, and that's how Bhattacharya wraps it up. There is also the interesting thing is in the Sanskrit, like Khatapayati Sankhya, there is a method of coding, right? So it's like that's how they used to transmit information. And the Khatapayati Sankhya only, you need to know how to encode it and you need to know how to decode it. Otherwise, you won't get it, right? So India, what it says is this Ayur Arogya Saukyam is what we understand. Ayu Arogyam Saukyam. But they're saying if you look at Khatapayati Sankhya, and I don't know Khatapayati Sankhya by any means, right, of decoding and encoding, but if you do it, it says it also talks about the day in which this was written, and it is the 1,712,210th day of the Kali Yuga according to the Malayalam calendar. So if you follow the Malayalam calendar, it says 1.7 lakh days after the beginning of the Kali Yuga in Malayalam calendar, this was written, right? That's how the Khatapayati Sankhya is written, and that comes out to, in the English calendar, they say 1587 is the year in which it was written, and there are two dates. They're saying either 27th November or 12th December. There are two dates which people say what it is, right? Because it is so old, nobody knows exactly in that date, but one of those days. So towards the end of November or early December. So 1587 was when this was written. So that is what they're saying, that is encoded in this as a Khatapayati Sankhya. So that's so in that way, Ajñatvate Mahatvam, comma, Yadiha Nigatitam, comma, Vishwanatha Kshametaha, comma, Stotram Chaitat Sahasrottaram Adhikataram Tvat Prasadaya Bhuyat. That line is together. Ajñatvate Mahatvam Yadiha Nigatitam Vishwanatha Kshametaha Stotram Chaitat Sahasrottaram Adhikataram Tvat Prasadaya Bhuyat.
Ajñatva te mahatvam yatiha nigaditam Vishwanadakshamedaha Stotram Chaitat Sahasrotaram Adhikataram Tvat Prasadaya Bhuyat. Ajñatva te mahatvam yatiha nigaditam विश्वनादाक्षमेताः स्तोत्रं चैतत् सहस्रोत्तरमधिकतरं त्वत्प्रसादाय भूयात्।
अज्ञात्वा ते महत्त्वं यदिह निगदितं विश्वनाथ क्षमेथाः स्तोत्रं चैतत् सहस्रोत्तरमधिकतरं त्वत्प्रसादाय भूयात्। अज्ञात्वा ते महत्त्वं यदिह निगदितं विश्वनाथ क्षमेथाः स्तोत्रं चैतत् सहस्रोत्तरमधिकतरं त्वत्प्रसादाय भूयात्।
Third line. Dveda Narayaniyam, comma, Shruti Chusha Janusha, comma, Stutyatha Varnanena, Sweetam Leelavathareihi. So, அங்க re இருக்கும். Re இருந்தனாக்கா Sanskritல you make it Leelavathareihi. Idamiha, comma, Idamiha Kurutam Ayur Arogya Saukyam. So, make that re into a visarga and then a e. द्वेधा नारायणीयं श्रुतिचुषजनुषा स्तुत्यथा वर्णनेन स्वीतं लीलावतारैः इदमिह कुरुताम् आयुरारोग्यसौख्यम्।
द्वेधा नारायणीयं श्रुतिषु च जनुषा स्तुत्यदा वर्णनेन स्फीतं लीलावतारैः इदमिह गुरुताम् आयुरारोग्यसौख्यं। द्वेधा नारायणीयं श्रुतिषु च जनुषा स्तुत्यदा वर्णनेन स्फीतं लीलावतारैः इदमिह गुरुताम् आयुरारोग्यसौख्यम्।
द्वेधा नारायणीयं श्रुतिषु जनुषा स्तुत्यदा वर्णनेन स्फीतं लीलावतारैः इदमिह कुरुताम् आयुरारोग्यसौख्यम्। द्वेधा नारायणीयं श्रुतिषु जनुषा स्तुत्यदा वर्णनेन स्फीतं लीलावतारैः इदमिह कुरुताम् आयुरारोग्यसौख्यम्।
Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. So, Pragat, this completes the 21 chapters that we started, right? So, I think really blessings. And I was like so worried, you know, I know Raj is still on. When Raj said, first we started small with like at least 21 chapters, but successfully we completed and everybody stayed through. So that was amazing.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It was great. Romba nalla irundhathu.
Rajesh, we are ready to continue also.
We are ready to continue.
We really enjoyed Rajesh. Nanna irundhathu.
Romba enjoy panninom.
And absolutely, I'm like motivated to kind of take it maybe to the next, right? May not go all the way to 100 because I'm afraid of taking a big project like that, right?
2020 ah pannalame. 2020 ah pannalam.
2020
யோசிச்சு வச்சிருக்கேன். So இப்போ 21 முடிச்சிருக்கோம். So next important 30 chapters pick பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கேன். So whoever, you know, we'll discuss on WhatsApp, right? So whoever...
Rajesh, you know, right? There's another batch waiting for you.
Another?
Abdiya?
There's another batch waiting for Rajesh.
Oh.
It's past 20. No, we are done anyway. So
Sorry, you're not done yet.
Yeah.
It'll be a while until you're done.
I think next
You can wait.
COVID is not going anyway, so we are stuck.
all the more reason.
COVID or no COVID, we are learning.
So next class, like I said, is we'll definitely learn Narayana Kavacham. It's amazing, you know. I chant it every day, so it's only like 5-6 minutes na chant pandradhukku.
Okay.
And so I'll send a printout of that ahead of the next class, right? So next class we'll do Narayana Kavacham, and then after that let's find out, hopefully the week after that, where we have about 2 hours time which everybody can allocate, because I want to think the 21 chapters we have done, we have about 10-11 of us, right? So everybody will do 2 chapters, one from the first 10, one from the 11 to 20, so we can at least rehearse the 20 chapters. So either the second Sunday from now, if it works for everybody, but we'll need about 2 hours time, the 20 chapters pandradhukku, right? And after that, then we'll consider the next round of it.
I think our next few classes we can continue to chant all the 21 in succession. Whatever the, you know, we can do 3 or 4 times or 5 times repetition.
Correct.
so that everybody gets, full chance and we get some corrections also that happens.
Sure. Apdi pannalam. Yeah, we can do that.
I think ஒரு 4-5 கிளாஸ்க்காவது பண்ணலாம்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
ஆமா இதே 1.5 hours னு வெச்சிட்டு எவ்வளவு முடியறதோ அவ்வளவு
அடுத்த கிளாஸ்ல கண்டினியூ பண்ணலாம். We'll go around 3 or 4 times அது full round up பண்ணனும் 21 ஸ்லோ. எல்லாருக்கும் கொஞ்சம் பெர்ஃபெக்ட்டா வந்துரும்.
ஆமா
கிளாसेसும் சேர்த்து.
கரெக்ட். ராஜ் பாருங்க முடிஞ்சதுனாக்க அந்த சமயத்துல whenever this finishes அந்த 20 chapters கோவில்ல போய் ஜெயிக்க முடியுமான்னு பாருங்க.
I have a program planned already.
Okay.
We have to do it.
I have a program planned already, but I am looking for a date that will suit everyone. A lot of women are in this, so I need to find out a probable day and time, so that most of them can most of them at least can participate.
Definitely.
And we'll do that on Saturday or Sunday.
Yes, please. Saturday, Sunday.
And it'll be during the middle of the day, most likely. Immediately after the midday Aarati, we will try to do it, so that there won't be any disturbance and no problem with the temple too.
A number of people limitation
irukku. Yeah. Crowd irukku.
We can just have the hall for ourselves and do it.
Correct.
That will be great. Thank you.
1 to 3 அந்த மாதிரி ஏதாவது பிளான் பண்ணிக்கலாம் இல்லனா Saturday 1 to 3 1:33.
Rajesh, you did an amazing job.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Amazing. Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Point, and your explanations were good, and you did not diverge. There are a lot of diversions that can happen in each one of the chapters. A lot of stories behind each one of the chapters. If you go on to it, even Kapilopakhyanam, you can just expand on Sankhya for a lot of time.
Correct.
Not do all this, because all the I would say called Narayana's devotees have been focused only on Narayana this time.
Correct.
So thank you so much for that. And we'll have
your commitment and your hard work, thank you so much, because
really,
we know there's a lot
like in the first and the Sahana Bhavatu children, the meaning is totally worth it, right? Because namma chant pandrathu, you do it every time, but when you have to teach somebody, you have to also put extra effort, right? Because then everybody's starting from scratch, so you also end up learning more with that process. So
actually Rajesh, kudos to your whole family, because Nithik Vishali she said nee or sound kuda pinadi varavida maate nee avlo strict ah veetla irukavanga ellarum follow panninga, she was saying. Kudos to you. Seriously, I mean, jokes apart, but amazing job. I mean, we were so thrilled about every Sunday, because unnoda commitment, whatever that you have done it. See, that's what made, Rajesh said, Vishali was saying students ellarum ivlo motivated. I said, no, Guru avlo motivated irukana, and students are motivated.
அது மட்டும் இல்ல, every Sunday ஒரு மாதிரி சஸ்பென்ஸ் வச்சிருப்பார் ராஜேஷ், யாரை பிக் பண்ணுவார் தெரியாது.
That is really good.
That is telling this to Vishali, Nithik, நான் சொன்னேன் நம்ம நல்லா prepare பண்ணி எக்ஸாம்க்குலாம் ரெடியா இருப்போம். அன்னைக்கு ராஜேஷ் பிக் அப் பண்ணுவாங்க. படிக்கலையா?
இல்ல அது நான் I'm just tracking, right, to just give everybody a chance. I'm generally tracking யாரு
நாங்க ட்ராக் பண்றது இல்ல, நீங்க ட்ராக்.
So that's a good thing. எல்லாரும் practice பண்ணுவாரால choose பண்ணிட்டு வந்தாங்க only that person will have the motivation.
Exactly.
So that's a very good idea.
Yeah.
So there's 80 more chapters left. We'll do it slowly.
Yeah, absolutely. So we'll finish off with Sandhananda, and then we'll end today's class.
Okay.
Sandhanandhavabodhatmagamανupamidam kaladeshavadebhyam nirmuktam nityamuktam nigamashadasahasrena nirbhasyamanam aspashtam drishtamatre punarupurushartatmakam brahmatattvam tattavat bhadi sakshat gurupavanapure hanta bhagyam jananam कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि.
Thank you, Rajesh.
Thank you so much.
Sunday, okay?
Thank you, Rajesh. Thank